Hello YouTubers, this is Pyro, and in this little video I'm going to show you how to refuel your lighter. Okay, all you do is take it out of here, turn it upside down, open up the little cotton thing, take your lighter fluid, and carefully start spreading in here. You want to put enough in, but you don't want to overflow it. And mine's almost done. Wait a second now. Smells like a barbecue in here. Okay, I think this will be enough before I kill myself. You put the thing back in. Oopsie. Okay, anyway. Okay. Shake it up a little. Put it back in. Shake it up. You put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up. Put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up. Okay, now it's good. Now you light it. Ta-da! Oh crap. And that's how you do it. See ya.